Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. We have started with the 5th chapter from syllabus, that is server-side scripting with PHP language. We have discussed about a PHP, introduction to PHP and what are different features of PHP. Now onwards we will discuss about a PHP language, that is a syntax of PHP, then how to write a program of PHP, how to run the program of PHP. So for that purpose, first of all we should know how to install a XAMPP server and how to run the PHP program. So today we will discuss about that, how to install a XAMPP server and to run a PHP program. So for that purpose we have to follow certain steps like this. First of all we have to download a XAMPP server. So how to download it? Let us download a XAMPP server. So for that open any browser and then type here download XAMPP for Windows. Suppose you want to download a XAMPP for Windows, then you can type as a download XAMPP for Windows. Okay. After that, a very first link is there, that is Apache Friends org. Click on that link and you will be able to see here exe files. So here a XAMPP for Windows. So these exe files, these download files are for Windows operating system. If you want to download XAMPP for Linux, you can refer this, and if you want to download a XAMPP for OS X, that is for Mac operating system, you can refer these links. Now I am going to download a XAMPP for Windows, and that's why click here on this. Suppose we download a XAMPP for 8.0 PHP. So click on this downloading link and you can see here XAMPP server is getting downloaded. After this downloading will get completed, here the status will change to download completed. See here, now the downloading has been completed, that is download completed. Now to install this XAMPP server, we have to click on this exe file and after that install this XAMPP server as how you install the other softwares. You have to install this XAMPP on a C drive. After you have installed the XAMPP server on your C drive, see here within a C drive XAMPP folder will get created. Now open this folder and open htdocs folder from the XAMPP. So open this htdocs and now here we have to create our project location. So to create a project location, we have to create a new folder. So click here to create a new folder. Type here name of your folder. You can type any name. Suppose it is Siley. After that, within this Siley folder, this is our project location now. So here we can create our project files, that is PHP programs, and run those PHP programs. So we have to create a PHP file now. So to create a PHP file, we can use any editor. Suppose we use a Notepad++, then we can use Notepad++. Instead of that, we can use Notepad also. Suppose we use Notepad++. Then open a new document and start writing a code here. So we have to type a code as of HTML, then end of HTML. Within HTML tag, let us add a head tag. So head and then end of head. Within this head tag, now we can provide a heading for this program. Suppose h1, end of h1. Within that, provide here any meaningful heading. Suppose a demo program using PHP. Demo program using PHP. Okay, now close this head tab and open a body tab. Within this body tab, open and close, we will write down a PHP code. So to write down a PHP code, we have to follow the syntax, that is this question mark, then PHP, after that again question mark and end. Within this we have to type a PHP code. Now let us type a simple code, that is print anything on a screen. So to print anything, echo statement is used. Echo, after that space, in double quotes specify a string that you want to get displayed on the screen. Suppose it is welcome to programming with PHP. Welcome to programming with PHP. Then semicolon, and now save this program. So to save this, press Ctrl S and you can type a name here. First of all, select a location that we have created earlier, that is within a C drive, XAMPP, then htdocs. Within that we have created Siley folder. So open that folder and type here a name for your PHP file. Suppose it is a demo. Name of the file is demo. It is a PHP file, so provide here extension as a .php. Then save this program. Now this program is saved with extension .php. Now we want to run this program. So to run this program, what we have to do? First of all, we have to open a XAMPP server. Okay, so for that we have to open a XAMPP control panel. To open a XAMPP control panel, you can type here XAMPP control panel. You can click here, or otherwise here a shortcut is there. You can click on this also to open a XAMPP control. So let us open a XAMPP by clicking here on a XAMPP control panel. Now we have to start this Apache server if it is stopped. Okay, now see the Apache is stopped. Here we can check the status of this server. Okay, so here Apache we have to start now. So click here on a start Apache. You can check a status here. Status change is detected and that is running now. So Apache is running now. So to run the PHP program, now Apache is running, we have to open a browser now to run the program. Okay, so within a browser, here type a localhost. Once you type localhost, the link should appear like this, that is welcome to XAMPP. If you have installed a XAMPP server successfully, this will appear. Otherwise this will not appear. Then we have to check what is if there any mistake is there, and you have to install the XAMPP again. Okay, now I have installed a XAMPP server successfully, and that's why after typing the localhost here, this link is enabled, that is welcome to XAMPP. So enter. After that this screen will appear. Now to run the program, that is in a Siley folder, that is our project location, we have to open that project location. So type here name of your folder and again press enter. See here within the Siley folder, just now we have created a file, that is demo.php. To run that file we have to click here. So after clicking there, you can see here this is the heading, that is demo program using PHP, and this is the echo statement that we have printed, welcome to programming with PHP. You can have any another string also to get printed, to get displayed here. For that we have to change the program. First of all, let us change this from capital E to small e. Here you can change the string also. Suppose good morning. Then now the output will be demo program using PHP and the echo statement is Good morning. Save this program. To save, again press Ctrl S. After that, here refresh the page to see the output. See here, now we can see heading is demo program using PHP and echo statement is good morning. So in this way we can create a PHP program and we can run the PHP program, but for that first of all we have to download and install a XAMPP server. So follow all these steps. See here for guidelines, you can refer these. First we have downloaded a XAMPP server. After that we have installed the XAMPP server into a C drive. Okay, so after installation, within a C drive XAMPP folder will be created. Open that folder. Within that, again open a htdocs folder, and we have to create our project location, that is nothing but name of our folder. Okay, so within that we have to create a PHP file. To create a PHP file, we can use any editor like Notepad or Notepad++. Then save that program with a .php extension. To run the program, to run that PHP program, first of all we have to start our Apache server. To start Apache server, we will open XAMPP control panel. Okay, and from that we will click here. Now it is running. Once you have done with running a program, you can stop that Apache server from here, and you can again check the status change detected, that is a stop. Now it is stop. To start it, you can click here. So to run the program, first start the Apache server. After that, go to the browser, and within a browser type localhost. If you have installed the XAMPP server successfully, you will be welcome to a XAMPP. Then open your project location. Within that you will be able to see your programming files, and you can just click on that file to run the program like this. So demo.php, click on this, and you will be able to see the output of your program. So follow all these steps. First of all, download XAMPP server, install it, then create a PHP programming file and run the PHP with XAMPP server. Thank you.